So, before we start, Myra, don't have to fix the watch in the class. You'll do it after the class or before the class. Okay? Yeah. Everybody here. So, we'll start with the tables and then we'll go to something called measurement. And measurement, when we talk about, we'll talk about whatever you guys are supposed to know in class grade 3, grade 4, grade 5.
I'm starting with length or something.
We'll come to that. So,
We just started what we're doing first.
that's what I'm saying. See, there are a lot of things. Okay, so come quickly, come quickly.
What am I
Find the chair, sit down. Settle down quickly. Okay? So we'll first start with the tables. Then we'll go to Arnav, you'll come here so I can see you. And be careful, otherwise this. Okay? Yeah. So, no cross talks. No cross talks.
the cake, yeah, we really use our 5 minutes.
See, and more important, you guys are okay. See, more importantly, if you are coming here, you should always think what is that I'm going to learn. If you're not learning something, that should be a matter of concern, right? If you just keep worrying about the break without learning anything, that's a waste of time. So, what we're going to start with? Everybody has to calm down.
12s.
No, I'm saying what we are going to start with.
Tables.
Tables.
Oh.
So let's see. I will ask questions to every individual and only that person will answer, okay? Ishan, 6 ager,
48.
48. 9 ager,
72.
13 ager,
65.
6 ager, 48. Okay. No, I know Sania was not well, but do you remember till what table I had asked you to memorize? 5, 6, 6. Okay. Let's check some more. 5, 3 jar,
15.
15. 4, 8 jar, 32. Okay. So yeah, these are not very big things, very complicated things, but it needs a bit of practice. Okay. So task for you. Note it down in your this one. Okay. I would want you to memorize table till 6 by next Saturday. Okay.
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 You mean next Sunday?
Next Saturday, not tomorrow. I'm giving a time. I mean, I don't have to be rude to
Yeah,
anybody.
Sunday, right? Next, we have class on Sunday.
So not,
Sunday, right?
she was not well for 3 weeks.
Oh.
She was not here.
For 6
She is recovering. So now, and she is much junior to you guys. So I want her to get time, spend some time to pick up things. And see, for all of us, okay, even maximum table that will go up to will be 20. If every day we're spending 5 minutes, trust me, if you do it that honestly, it's just a matter of 2.5 to 3 months. 3 months will be more than enough for you guys to memorize table till 20. You don't have to memorize anything beyond that, okay? Alright, so let me continue. 11 9 jar.
99.
Okay. 7 4 jar.
28.
Very nice. 12 6 jar. 4 7 jar. Let me see, I'm just checking, okay?
32.
No, I'll come to you. 4 7 jar 32 is 28.
Oh no, I thought you said
Okay. Okay. So Sania is excluded only for today, okay? I'll give a chance
said
next Saturday.
8.
Okay. 8 8 jar.
64.
Okay. 9 3 jar.
27.
Okay. 12 9 jar.
108.
Okay. 13 3 jar.
39.
Okay. See, there are things that I will ask just to see how my kids are knowing things, okay? I mean, even if I have not asked you to memorize, okay? It's a pleasant surprise for me when you guys give me a right answer, okay?
Ow.
Okay. 8 6 jar. Ishan.
48.
Okay. Okay. 12 8 jar.
36.
Okay. 8 7 jar.
8 7s are
56.
56.
Okay. Yeah. So So see, whenever I find an opportunity, whenever you guys make a mistake, I look at it in a very positive way. Okay? That okay, you have something to do. When you have something to do, that will make you learn. 7 7 there. 49. Okay, so yeah. So okay. Can I say you not say?
I remember 7 times 7 is square root of 49.
No, I see. What I'm saying is, there's a common message for everybody here. Can we make sure that none of us in this class, including me, takes more than half a second for answering all the tables till 7? Everything with 7, without a mistake, without taking time. It should be like 7 to 56, like this. Okay, like that. Where it doesn't take more than half a second even. Before the next Sunday, okay? And next Sunday I'm planning to take a test. A test.
I'm not going to next Sunday.
Huh?
I'm not going to next Sunday.
Why?
Because
Huh?
of the test on
No, that promise is with the parents, not with the kids. I know if I give you guys luxury, you would want a bed in this classroom, and everybody want to put a goggle and lie down. That's not the purpose of the class.
Hold on.
And some food.
Yeah.
Can I do the 7 tables with everyone?
Yeah, everybody. No, so you're not taking the table of 7 here. I'm saying that's a task that is given to all of you. Make sure that everybody is spending 5 minutes. What's your name? Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Basically on the board.
I'll come to that. Alright, so we did the table. The one thing that everybody has to remember is next Sunday, which is
Tomorrow.
no.
Tomorrow
No,
is-
next Sunday, that's what I'm saying, next Sunday.
What? That's a quiz.
10th of March is when we will have a test.
What?
And that
What can it be tomorrow?
we'll do tomorrow. What we have been doing every Saturday, Sunday. We'll learn things. We'll continue learning. What I'm saying is, next Sunday, that is 10th, we'll do a test. And that test is not to get scared, not to get worried. It's going to be a reflection of what we have learned and what we need to learn better. That's all. Okay. Now look at Sanya. She has only attended, this is her second class. So if she attends a test, obviously I know that she will not be able to do all the sums that we will have. But that's okay. She will know that okay, there are a lot of things that I don't know. And that's what we learn together. So test is not to get scared, not to freak out, not to get stressed out. Test is to make sure that we know what we know and what we don't.
been here a week and already taking this.
Yeah, let's
It's
do
only
it.
been 5 days though.
Let's do it. You will not get paralyzed. Nobody is going to get punished for scoring less or
Wait, but see, what if like the crazy student like you Sean? What? Sometimes.
nobody. Okay. Hey, who do I need to move? All of you?
Yes.
I just moved Dasvik here so that the
there.
distraction is. So Advik now. If you.
I make sense with anybody who means that he'll have to do with a girl.
Adam, everybody calms down. What I'm saying is, if you guys don't listen, don't pay attention, don't follow instruction, don't show the intent to learn, in the test, let's say if you get 75 out of 100, I'll deduct 5 marks and make it 70, okay? If you guys are okay doing it, continue with what you're doing, okay? Now, come back to the class. So, in this class, you're going to learn about measurement. Everybody has seen something like this, right?
No, it's a ruler.
I'm not trying to sound funny here, okay? Now, pay attention here. This is a ruler, right? Have you paid attention to what you see in the ruler?
Yes. Inches and centimeters.
Inches and centimeters, yeah? So these are the, okay, this is, and what do you do with the ruler? You will say, okay, this
Measure
is,
stuff.
okay.
Like this.
Mute yourself. I'll ask you guys when to answer, okay? Now, simple thing, okay? Let's say you'll say, okay, how big is this room? Somebody will say 5 feet, 10 feet, 20 feet.
No, it's like 5 feet. How is it gonna
We are
be
not here
5
for
feet?
debate.
That's like a person.
Arnav, we
This
are not here
room
for
is like-
Arnav, we are not here for debate. Calm down. Okay? I'm giving some examples. I'm giving some examples, okay? Try understanding the intent of it. What I'm saying is, if somebody takes a ruler or any other way to measure it, right? People will say, okay, we use ruler or scale or tape for measuring length. Likewise, if you have to, let's say you have to go buy milk, do you say I want 5 centimeters of milk?
No, you want 5 gallons of milk.
5 gallons of milk. Some will say 5 liters of milk.
Yeah, 5 liters.
Don't get distracted.
Or 5 milliliters.
Don't get so much distracted that we end up wasting 1 hour talking nonsense. Okay? So you get something, you know, to measure volume or, you know, a fluid using gallon, liter, milliliter.
A beaker.
So we've been discussing in our class, like 1D, 2D.
I will turn off the video. We'll be discussing all nonsense in the class. Let's not do that.
Don't we use like a beaker to measure volume?
No.
Or
Beaker is just a container.
For volume.
Measuring cups.
Measuring cups, yeah. So okay. So don't use every opportunity for triggering a discussion which will make us non-productive. Let's not do that. Okay. So what I was trying to conclude was, for measuring volume, we use different scale. Measuring length, we use different scale. Likewise, if somebody has to weigh, let's say this thing, you'll say, yeah, this is probably 1/4 of a pound. Or somebody will say, this phone is probably 100 grams. Yeah?
100 grams.
Okay? So there are different units. Okay. So beat for length, beat for weight, beat for volume, beat for time. They are different units.
Oh, yeah.
Customary and metric.
Yeah?
Customary is for the whole world.
Now,
No,
this is for the US.
customary we use here. Most of the time they use metric.
Customary is the one that we use in the countries like US. Metric is the one that is used
other
mostly in
countries.
Europe
India.
and Asian countries. Okay?
India, China,
Okay? So let's come to that.
South America. Oh yeah.
So Myra, Sanya, I want you guys to be here in the class.
Will we just
Okay.
separate everybody?
Bruh.
Tell me a technique that makes you guys understand things in a better way. I mean, if there's a language that I can learn for you guys to understand, I'm okay doing it. Yeah, especially for you. Yeah. Huh? So that gives me a reason for calling. Yeah. So on a serious note, pay attention and try learning things. What I was saying was, you have different units or scale for measuring length, like what you were seeing in the scale, be it centimeter, inches, be it kilogram, be it pounds, be it
Gallons, pounds.
gallons,
ounces.
pounds, yeah, or be it
For
be it.
time? Because we were talking.
Calm down. Do I have a way to mute you guys? Yeah. So basically, you have to always look at length, volume, and weight.
But isn't
These-
time also another one?
Huh?
Isn't time also another one, like an hour,
Yeah.
minute,
Century.
second?
So there the units are same. There, thankfully, US has not brought in a new scale to measure it.
Oh yeah,
It's still costing.
like normally it's calendar. It's calendar one of the times to measure.
Now,
What?
so
How?
okay, tell me one thing.
How?
Okay, shall I turn off the video and let's gossip? Let's talk about your society, my society, and then exam everybody will fail, and that result will go to your parents. That your kid got a golden 0.
No.
Yeah? Okay, so calm down, everybody. So let's look at the scale one by one. Let's look at the length in metric system and in customary US.
Not customary, customary.
Say that again.
Customary.
Customary. Yeah.
Custom.
Mother married, father married, whatever marry, okay? Customary, okay? So M stands for metric and C stands for
Customary.
customary. Yeah?
Customary, like talk, like customary. Like custom.
Okay, good job. So I have everybody's number here, okay?
Isn't money also like another one?
So what we are learning, can we focus on that one? Then we'll go to money, then we'll go to funny.
Time.
You guys are not interested in money, you are actually more interested in funny stuff. So
We're
let's
wasting
stay here.
time, not money.
Here. So let's look at the two scales. Okay? Let's look at length. What are the things that you guys know? What?
Chill.
I know. Please pick me, please.
So can you
I know. It's kilometers.
no, can you guys calm down a little bit? Can you guys calm down a little bit? Okay? So let's look at length as one. And don't get overexcited. Slowly, okay? Everybody is here to learn. So if you look at metric unit, you will hear about things like centimeter, meter, millimeter, kilometer. Yeah?
What is bigger than kilometer? Miles.
Slow.
Miles.
So mile and kilometer are from two different units.
Yeah,
We
but
will
still-
learn about the conversion later. Learn ABCD before you start writing sentences.
But I know ABCD.
Do you have to argue for everything?
No.
No. Come.
So our teacher taught us in school, there's a way to remember. Have you ever heard of King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk?
What?
Kilometers?
Hectometers.
No, okay.
Hey.
So everybody is to calm down. Don't go to all the places. If you guys don't want the class today, I can give a discount for today's class to your parents. I can cancel it also. If that is sounding more exciting to you guys. But if you are here for learning something, let's pay attention. Okay. So I'm trying to get you guys started with the first part of the class, wherein you guys are so very keen on wasting time. Let's look at the metric unit, okay? I'm talking about length. So here you can measure things in millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay? Whenever you hear the word, the term kilometer, kilo stands for thousand of it.
In
What?
So 1,000 kilometers?
Thousand of anything. If I say kilometer, thousand of meter. If I say kiloliter, that is thousand of a liter.
Oh, so it's
So no okay? Calm down.
Kilometers is basically kilometers are basically.
Come here and teach. Come here and teach. Come here and teach. What do you want to teach?
I want to say. This is 10,000 for this, and for I wanted to say that.
No, so that's what I'm saying.
10,000.
You guys are trying. See, that is the biggest problem I see here with the kids. Okay, we have learned to talk a lot. What goes missing is the content.
talking.
What goes missing is the content. 10,000 centimeter.
It's basically.
What does it mean?
Huh? So you said kilometers like 1,000 of everything, like meters, right? So if we go back a little bit more, then it's gonna be 10,000, right?
No. Don't go back. Don't go back. Stay in the current situation. You will learn more. If you stop talking more, you will learn more.
Okay.
So see, the way it works is communication is two ways thing. Okay. So the mistake that we make is we start talking and you forget to listen. If you listen, digest, process, and then you talk, that will be more meaningful. So I request everybody, I urge everybody to stay quiet. That's why I was trying to find out where the mute button is. Everybody stays muted for next 10 minutes so that I can share something and then I'll ask questions. That is when you get a chance to talk. Okay?
Can I do the first
No.
one by accident?
But what did I say? What did I say?
No.
Okay, so everybody stays muted. I will ask question when I need to ask the question, okay? So first thing you have to know whether it's a metric system or a customary system. Yeah? Whenever you hear the term kilo, that means 1,000 of it. If I say meter and I say kilometer, 1,000 of a meter. If I say kiloliter, it is kilo of a liter, meaning 1,000 of a liter. If I say kilogram, kilo meaning 1,000 of a gram. Okay? Yeah?
So it'll be like a fraction. of that.
Why you are going? We'll go to Heritage High School, then we'll go to Independence High School. Is that in the math class? No. Fraction. Why you are worrying about fraction? Simple thing. Kilo of anything is 1,000 of it. Simple. Yeah. So whenever you hear kilogram, 1,000 of gram, kiloliter, 1,000 of liter, kilometer is 1,000 of meter. It is simple. It is simple enough.
Yes.
I said 10 minutes of mute. What is the question?
Okay. I'm just saying. But what if you go to kilometer? Like what if you go to centimeter? Then what?
So, learn one thing, then we'll go to second thing, then we'll learn the third thing.
Okay.
Can we know like the kilo thousand thing?
Kilo 1,000?
Kilo
Like 10 kilo equals 1,000 kilo.
Yeah.
That,
Kilo equals 1,000. Kilo of anything is 1,000. Very simple, okay? Kilogram is 1,000 of gram. Kiloliter is 1,000 of liter. Kilometer is 1,000 of meter. Done deal, okay? We're not talking about that. Now try relating things, okay? So when we looked at centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, meter, okay? We are talking about length, okay? In metric system so far.
Oh, that was metric. Oh yeah.
wait, so are we going to use...
Why to wait? Don't wait.
So
Let me complete. No, let me complete, okay? This is not a debate forum, okay? It's a math class. Let me teach and I'll ask, okay? You will get enough chance to react to the questions. Now, let's look at the sequence. Okay? So here, 10 millimeter equals 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter equals 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter equals 1 meter. Okay?
But you never told us that much about decimeter, right?
You need to know. You'll not probably use much, but this is a sequence. Milli, centi, decimeter. That's the sequence.
But is deci the smallest amount?
Deco, like decades, 10 years.
So look at the sequence. If you're asking a question, that should be a meaningful question. Okay? Here, wait. Let me complete this one. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Meaning centimeter is bigger than millimeter. 10 centimeter equal to 1 decimeter.
Decimeter
Yeah?
is bigger.
So hear it carefully. Why the hurry for asking question? Let me complete. 10 centimeter equal to 1 decimeter. 10 meaning decimeter is bigger than centimeter. Yeah? Now 10 decimeter equal to 1 meter. So here you should not be asking, is centimeter the biggest? That question is not valid. Don't ask. Yeah? Sanya, you're going to follow? Yeah.
Can I have something in the board?
Huh?
Can I have something on the board? It's actually kind of easy.
No, I will let you know when it is to be done. Okay? I will not allow distraction. Today we have got distracted enough. Wait. We have got distracted enough. I was about to end the class, okay? I was not in a mood, but I know I want to be respectful to your time. Your parents are spoiling the weekend bringing you here, right? You have to change the whole routine. So that's why I'm just trying to make sure that we make use of the time, okay? So that's why, okay, so pay attention here. So this is a sequence. I know you are getting tempted to talk about the king's story. I don't want you to.
What is the king story? I don't understand.
We'll come to that. Can you pay attention here? Everybody? Tashvi? Oh, you're writing down? Let me see what you're writing. Okay. Kilometer? Yeah. See, this is the right thing. Yeah. See, he's paying full attention. He's a baby, but he's paying attention.
I have a pencil.
You're a baby too.
I don't have a pencil.
Yeah.
After meter is a kilometer.
No, so
Can I have a
that's
pencil?
no.
You can take my pen.
Yeah. Okay. So here Your question is not valid, Advik. So that's why I want everybody to be mindful of the question that they are asking. You guys are not kindergartners anymore. Okay? So when you say, is kilometer after meter? Answer is no. Because kilometer is kilo of a meter, meaning 1,000 of a meter. So there will be something in between, okay? So that's what relates to the story that he was telling. I'm not doing that now purposefully so that you don't get lost in that.
How do you spell millimeter?
Milli, M-I-L-L-I. Okay, so now one thing that I want you guys to carry forward before I go to the next thing. Millimeter, meter. 1,000 of millimeter will be equal to 1 meter. Okay, so milli stands for 1,000. If you look at this, 10 into 10. So 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Now 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter, meaning in 1 decimeter we'll have 10 into 10, 100 millimeters.
How do you spell decimeter?
DCI. Okay, and then 10 decimeter will be equal to 1 meter. So if you have to convert meter into millimeter, it means 10 to 10 to 10, meaning 1,000 millimeters. So anything a milli is 1,000. Okay, so
What?
What about kilo?
Yeah.
So millimeter and million.
Oh,
so milli is 1,000th. If you break into 1,000 pieces,
So it's about like
Kilo.
kilo is 1,000 of
Oh
it.
wait, I get it. So then it's
I don't
decimeter, and then I don't get it. Both are that.
Okay, calm down. If you stay quiet, then you listen. If you don't, you know. Kilo, simple thing. Kilo of anything is 1,000.
like 1,000 moles.
Huh?
1,000 moles.
1,000?
Holes. Like holes.
Whole. Yeah. So 1,000 of that thing. It's not. You are not counting numbers. If I say kilogram, I'm saying 1,000 of gram. Kiloliter, 1,000 of liter. Kilometer is 1,000 of meter. That's the thing. And what we are trying to relate here is another thing we are finding is 1,000 of millimeter equal to 1 meter.
Oh yeah.
So a millimeter is 1,000. 1 millimeter is equal to 1,000, meaning if you break a meter into 1,000 pieces, that is what will be a millimeter. Are you in a hurry to get out of the class? Don't do that. Okay? So kilo and milli are two reverse things, okay? Millimeter, milliliter.
So 1 meter equals like 1,000 centimeter. So that's what you're saying.
No, I did not say centimeter, I said millimeter.
Wait,
Milli.
wait, wait.
Milli.
Wait, what's after a unit?
What unit?
So can you read that unusually drinking chocolate milk? Unit's 1 meter.
Yeah, so meter is a unit.
No, so then what's like before unit, like train and kilometer, hectometer?
So this is the problem, okay? You guys are in a different world
Trying to jump
altogether.
ahead.
You guys are in a different world, okay? Calm down. If you are learning physics, study physics. If you are learning maths, learn math. Don't mix that with social studies, okay? I'm not saying that the topics that you're talking about is completely disconnected, but if you learn that and then you relate that to other topics, you'll not learn anything actually. So it is always your choice which one you want to learn. Be clear about what you want to learn and focus on that.
So is meter another word for unit? Yes.
Everything that we talk about that is called unit of measurement.
No, I mean like,
I asked her.
in that phrase it is.
Is that a valid question first? Ask yourself.
No, yeah,
No.
it is a valid.
Then don't ask. Okay, so we looked at the kilo concept and the milli concept, and now this will not fall, don't worry. Okay, so we looked at what is milli, what is kilo, and then we looked at some of the metric system now. But here, even let's say, so when you go to India and buy something there, okay, people will say 2 kilograms of potatoes.
Wait,
Okay? When you are going to buy potatoes, 2 kilograms of potatoes. Do you get to buy that here in kilograms?
no,
No.
you just say 2 pounds, right?
It's called pounds
What?
or ounce.
What
Where are
pounds?
we learning measurements?
How much kilograms?
What? What did you just say?
Is that a sensible question? Don't talk nonsense then.
We're learning weight now?
Enough here. So I'm saying there are different units of measurement. Okay? In metric, this is what you see is the metric part of it. 2 kilograms of potatoes meaning 2.
Never mind, I just stopped and it's not that sensible.
Hmm?
It's not a sensible question.
Don't ask. Don't ask. You guys are growing up.
I just remember.
I'm a-
I just thought.
I don't want to grow up because I just like being a child.
Happy? Okay, don't do that. Alright? So, see, everybody has two sides of him or her. You guys got to see the other side of me today.
Sure.
And I wish you don't plan for seeing that side of me every day. Okay? That's not productive for anybody, okay? Alright. So-
Isn't pounds and tons in the customer?
I will come to that, Beta. We'll come to that.
And then also what's
So-
the unit?
Anything which is not metric is, what do you call it?
Customary.
Customary. Mother marry, father marry, customary.
What?
Okay? I'm just relating that. You guys talk nonsense. I'm just matching my wavelength with you guys. Okay? Alright. So here. Now let's come to the
Wait.
pound.
You got 2 pounds of tomatoes and stuff like that. And it looks like that. What?
You need recipe for making tomato curry also? So, okay, calm down.
Bruh,
Calm down, everybody. So, we learn about let's look at the weight thing, okay? Where we measure in grams and kilograms. We know that same thing, right? Like we learned the millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, okay? And then 1,000 meters is kilometer. In gram also same thing. Milligram, centigram, decigram,
Oh, it's the same thing.
yeah,
What do you see?
and gram. Okay, and then 1,000 of that becomes a kilogram. Okay, so here this is going that sequence, but when you look at the what is that? Customary, right?
Yeah, customer.
In that unit, the weight is measured in pounds, ounce, or tons. Yeah?
Also,
What?
UK also use customary?
Huh?
I was just asking if
No,
the
I don't
UK.
think the UK uses customary. I
Who
think
gave birth to metric system?
The whole world?
UK.
Who is that whole world?
UK.
UK.
Why US is not included in that?
Bruh.
Oh yeah, and
Mr.
and
Kumar, so I didn't know that ounces was part of weight. I thought it was part of like fluid ounce. I thought it was.
So then-
They are both flavors
do we
actually.
have to tell the history of why customary was also in the US?
Why are you talking about history
I don't know.
right now?
Now you know the answer for your question, right? See, you don't need somebody like me to give that response to you. You are hearing from your friends. So, if you are wasting time, you should know about it, and that's the only way you can fix it. If you pretend that you are not wasting time and you continue doing it, it is not going to be fruitful. Okay, let's not do that. All right. So coming back to this one. Now tell me who knows the conversion of pound to ton.
I don't know. Wait, what?
Pounds to ton.
Just
How many pounds are in 1 ton? How many?
Please.
2,000.
But if you chill,
So-
that's what you call.
So we are looking only at weight. So basically, interestingly, in the customary system, you have the units used for solids as well as for fluid, like what Advik was saying. Okay. So if you look at solid, meaning anything that you can, that is not fluid.
Like
Okay.
your
Yeah.
watermelon.
So here you have to know about pound and tons, okay? And the conversion is what Ishan said, okay? To 2,000 pound equals to 1 ton. If any of you don't know, let me know.
Wait, is it called 2 turns or 2?
No tons.
Oh, tons. I think you said something.
You need to drink more water, Arav, going forward. That will keep you hydrated and calm. Yeah.
How many ounces are in a pound? 6.
We'll come to that.
Oh, yeah, 16 and then.
We'll come to that. We'll come to that. No, that is the fluid part of it.
Do you measure like a car's weight in tons?
You do because see,
How will you measure otherwise?
because see the tons. Because see, if I just said how many.
Let's debate.
I mean,
Okay,
the
yeah. You want some water? That is a preparation I want you to do. How much time do we have? Just get one bottle. Oh wait.
No,
Just
yes,
get the keys of the car from the
Can I
key.
drink here?
No.
What is
You cannot. This is I'm using. This is. This is just. Get the car key, better. Don't waste so much time.
Look, see.
Get the car keys.
You read my graph. Look, you look at
How's that a graph?
No. Also, go.
So they are interesting about it.
So, Mr. Kumar, the solid
So
sequence is
you
LD
measure
and
cars
then
in
tons.
tons most of the time? Or is there a separate measurement for
Look, see. Look, see. This is my new editor for the day.
Mr. Kumar, so the solid
No.
sequence is
This is
pounds
because
and then
I'm
tons.
literally a
Yeah.
My name is your auto suspension.
Bro, what are you doing?
Like it?
Hey, bro,
What?
are you gonna
I'm
show
being
your book
better.
on display on the whiteboard
What?
right now? You can do that.
No. Please subscribe to Beaton's class. This is a wonderful experience for math.
Okay, so the warning also don't work for you guys, is it?
No. I just said subscribe. So I'm trying to help you.
No, I don't need subscribers.
You
What
had
else you got money?
I don't need subscribers. I need you guys to be disciplined.
to.
That's
You
what
get
it is.
money if you have subscribers.
I don't need that.
So, Mr. Kumar, the
If
solid.
I had to earn money, there were other ways to earn money as well. Okay?
Mr. Kumar,
That was
the
YouTube
solid
that.
sequence for weight is LB and then tons. That's it.
Yeah, that's what you use mostly.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, for now. Okay. See, even Sania is thinking what we are doing here in the class. She is laughing at you guys. Yeah. See, and she will go and tell her parents that no, this class, everybody is now so mischievous, nobody is paying attention to what is taught. Okay, let's come back to the class. So, we looked at the solid part. Let's look at the fluid side of it.
Wait, solid. No, it's like the.
So, Arav, you're no more a baby, beta. Please. Okay? Don't waste time. Arnav, you pay attention for yourself. Don't try fixing others' problem. You also have problems to fix. I also have problems to fix. Let's focus on our problems first, okay? Alright. Now coming to the fluid side of measurement. In metric system and customary system. Okay? Okay? So if you look at what happens, Sanya? Oh no, I thought, okay, no, Arav, you don't have that luxury anymore. You have wasted a lot of time enough already. Okay? So if you look at the fluid system from a metric point of view, right? We learned about liter. Same thing. Milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter.
Wait, we're learning capacity?
Volume, yeah.
This is time to stand. No, I'm not doing anything.
Okay. So the metric part remains the same sequence. Okay. Milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter.
Wait, so can you name all of the like
Whatever you have noted down for gram, you just replace that with liter. That's what.
I have no space and this says it's year or something.
Yeah. So write it down. Otherwise, you'll have the video talking about it. Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
not gonna watch the video.
Don't
My
watch,
dad is
that's
gonna
okay.
watch it.
Huh?
My dad's gonna watch it.
That's okay. See, this video. Don't waste time. This video is meant for you guys to revise. If you don't want to watch it, that's your call. If you don't want to note down, you don't want to bring pencil and pen, you don't want to note it down, you don't want to watch the video, tell me what do I do? What is that we can do? You did not bring a pen, right? You wanted to get that, right? So there has to be some amount of seriousness from your side. I have no magic wand to teach you guys maths, okay? Okay? Laugh as much you want to laugh, other people will laugh at you in future, okay? Alright, so when you look at the customary unit, right? Here, let's look at what are the things that you know of. Look at this thing, from here to here. Have you guys heard of tablespoon?
Yeah. They're like measuring for like cup.
The smallest unit is teaspoon. 3 teaspoon becomes 1 tablespoon. So tablespoon is bigger than teaspoon.
Tablespoons equals
What is
1
it?
ounce.
How much?
So let's go one by one here. 3 teaspoon is equal to 1 tablespoon.
Wait, what are teaspoons?
Oh my, wait, what? You know what teaspoon?
I'll buy you one.
One.
Okay. So this is the smallest unit. Okay. So 3 teaspoon equals to 1 tablespoon. So teaspoons are much smaller size. Okay. You would have heard about the recipes that people talk about. No hurry. No hurry. Put your hand down. No. Hands down. Hands down. I get tired of the time wasting techniques, beta. Please. Today I'm not going to allow you guys. You guys have to get some message very straight. 3 teaspoon makes 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon makes 1 ounce. So this ounce and the ounce that you are seeing here in the solid thing, right? That is different. Okay. So anyways, let's focus on this one. So 2 tablespoon equals 1 ounce. Okay. 8 ounce makes 1 cup. Again, we know the cups are different sizes, but the standard measuring cup, yeah.
So ounce, can you also write OZ?
Yeah, OZ. So 8 ounce equals 1 cup. 2 cups equals to 1 pint. And 2 pint makes 1 quart. And 4 quart is 1 gallon.
Wait,
So
pints is so pints is bigger than cup?
tell me. You tell me.
Yes,
You tell
Oh,
me.
yeah.
How many cups is a gallon?
What?
You have to do calculation.
16.
You have to do calculation, right? So see, 2 cups equal to 1 pint. 2 pint is 1 quart and 4 quart is 1 gallon.
16.
So 2 into 4.
16.
Yep, that's it. So the gas that we fill in the car, right? We say 1 gallon. You can say, okay, say that is equal to 16 cups of gas. Yeah. Or 1 gallon is 4 quart. So if you are filling 1 gallon, you can say I put 4 quarts of gas.
I don't even use quarts that much.
We don't, but nobody's stopping us to learn, right?
So is there anything bigger than gallon?
5 gallon.
No.
No, there's no unit that at least I have. So you will not say that in ton, right? That is ton is for weight. So here you use gallon. Gallon is the highest one. Okay, so you'll say 1,000 gallons, 2,000 gallons, 5,000 gallons.
Yeah, 1,000 gallons is bigger than 1 gallon.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Is there any other unit bigger than that?
Okay, so there are units, but I'm purposely not telling you guys.
That's a double gallon. Why?
Huh?
A double gallon. A double gallon.
No.
Infinity
Okay,
gallon.
okay, calm down, everybody here. So far, let's quickly look at this. This might look like a little boring one because we are trying to learn the different units and trying to relate that.
I thought we were going to look about King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk.
What?
It's
We will come to that.
kilograms,
Now
hectograms,
you
decigrams unit,
No, it's like kilogram, decagram,
hectogram,
a kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram. That's it.
and then units, and then the other ones.
Yeah.
I used to
Drinking chocolate milk.
One time my dad raised Ben drinking chocolate milk because
Why are we talking about chocolate milk?
Okay. So we have 5 minutes to wrap up the class. Okay.
we don't. Oh yeah, we do.
Calm down. The next class has to start. Last time you guys were so mischievous because you guys, the next class had to wait for 10 minutes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Me?
You guys, meaning the whole class. No, don't point fingers at others. If you have to fix problems, look at your problem to fix. Okay, that's the only thing that you can control. Okay? Okay, so what are the things that we have learned? We have learned a few things. No, you put your hands down.
Can I tell what we learned?
Huh?
Can I tell what we learned?
Okay, let's see how much you remember. Not by referring to this. Let's see what all you remember.
So first, millimeter. So centimeter is bigger than millimeter. Decameter is bigger than centimeter. And unit, aka meter, is bigger than decameter. Bless you. And then meter.
Okay, go back to your seat. I have to use time. Okay, no, so I know the direction which you're going and that might be efficient.
I got it.
No, wait. So I have to just conclude, okay? So what I'm saying is, we learned, what are the things that we learned? I'm just doing a recap, okay?
These are questions.
No, you can answer this.
These are what
Okay.
did you learn?
Now we probably have like 3 minutes.
Happy? Happy to argue? Happy to waste time? Don't do that. That happiness is not going to be long-lived. Happiness that comes out of argument, discussion, disturbance, being naughty, being mischievous, that happiness is not going to be long-lived because I have tolerate it once or twice and then I know my ways to fix it. Okay? Alright, so we learned about first what are the different types of units. Okay, we learned about the metric system and the customary system. Yeah, that we use in US
Not for
mostly.
all of them.
Some of them. So then we looked at what are the different units that we use for length. So for length we saw meter, centimeter, decimeter, kilometer and the relationship between them and what kilo stands for. Okay. Then we looked at what are the length, corresponding length in customary system that we have not looked at. Okay. We have not looked at how is a mile, how that relates with inches,
Oh, okay, so
right? We have not done that. So we'll do that in the next class. Then we looked at the weight, where we looked at the metric side of it, kilogram,
we have to
gram.
wait 24 hours
Okay?
for that. Right?
We are not doing discussion, right? I'm teaching you guys. Okay? So calm down. Yeah?
Can you use the bathroom before classrooms?
I'm sorry?
Can I use the bathroom before the classrooms?
You can do it after the class ends.
Same, I was not like
Yeah, it's just like 2 more
Yeah.
minutes
So
of chili.
3 more minutes or 2 more minutes to wrap up the class.
My dad's car is here.
I also
Okay.
did too.
You get to leave early. Hello everybody, subscribe to our channel.
No, nobody has to sub. This,
No.
I'm not a YouTuber for making money here. I'm trying to teach you guys. I'm not successful so far. Because you guys are being very mischievous.
Me?
You guys doesn't.
Subscribe to I am from Bihar.
Huh?
I said subscribe to my channel.
Doesn't matter. I don't really care about it.
So we can get money. If
No.
I don't remember.
Learn enough, okay? Money will come as a byproduct. If you don't learn and think about money, you will not have money.
Has anyone ever commented on your videos?
Huh?
Has anyone ever commented
Doesn't
on
matter. Are you? My question to you guys: are you watching the video? No, right? Don't. Okay. Shh. Okay. So calm down. So next thing we learned was on the length side how the metric using the metric unit how centimeter to kilometer is relatable, and then we tried looking at the mile, yard, and inches that we'll do in the next class. Okay, we have not done that yet. On the weight side, we looked at grams, kilograms, how they are related, and then we related that with how it is there on the weight side of it. And then we looked at the fluid part of it. Okay. So only thing that is remaining is the conversion of length between the corresponding value for length in the customary system and relating that with the metric one. Okay. Next thing that we are going to do is convert these two units. Okay. They are things relatable.
So
Yeah,
basically do it if we have to.
We'll do that in next class.
Isn't millimeter and centimeter also part of customary?
No, it's metric.
No. Oh.
All the milli, centi,
Yeah,
this
it's
thing
all
is all
metric.
metric. All metric. Kilogram, milligram, centigram, decigram, all metric.
Oh, so
Kiloliter.
So it's only from inches to the.
Inches, miles, ounce,
Why
pound,
can't everybody just use meters?
Huh?
Not meters,